If your vehicle is not equipped with all-wheel drive, please see your owner's manual for drive mode information. In addition to auto mode, your vehicle is equipped with off-road, snow, eco, and sport modes. Auto is the default drive mode and will activate automatically when the ignition switch is placed in the on position. To switch modes, turn the drive mode selector right or left. The selected mode is displayed here, and this indicator illuminates. Off-road mode allows for easier driving on bumpy, sandy, or steep surfaces. Snow mode aids in driving on slippery surfaces. Eco mode increases fuel economy and provides smooth starting. Sport mode gives the driver a feeling of enhanced performance with increased steering response. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.